So hi, so good evening. From last class, we people are discussing the variables in TypeScript, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So variable is nothing but it is a memory location of the input array data. So sometimes we people are going to be said as the variable is nothing but it is a container which is hold the data or value. Okay, input or data or value anything. So in TypeScript, when we want to define the variable, we have a three keywords. One is var, let, and cast. Okay. So what is mean by var means var is a keyword. If we create any variable by using the var keyword, that is a var variable. It is a functional scope variable. So inside the function, we can access any block. Okay. So, but this var keyword is not recommendable the modern TypeScript programming language because of it is going to be accepted the reassign the data and redeclare the variable. So that is the reason it is not suggestible into the modern TypeScript because of it is going to be through the lot of compile time errors. Okay. So then there is a one more keyword we have let. So let is a keyword. If we create any variable by using the let keyword, that is a let variable. It is a block scope. It means when you use a let keyword to define the variable, that variable we can access only within the block. Okay. So when we are going to choose this let means when we define the very variable, if flexible to reassign the value, then we can go with let. So by using a let keyword, we can declare the variable. It can be allow the reassign the value. Okay. Then we have a one more keyword is a const. If we have any variable by using a const keyword, so that is a const variable. It is also a block scope, but it is going to be recommendable the only static data. So it is not allow the update and redefine the values. So these are the things we people are discussed in the last session. Are you people are able to understand any questions from anyone? Manoj and Avinash, can you able to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. And
And
fine,
do you,
Bharat.
yeah, thank you. So guys, I hope you people are able to understand the variables concept, right?
Eh,
A data type define the end of data. What storing the variable. So a data type is nothing but it's going to be specify the storing the variable. A data type define the what kind of data we are storing the variable in TypeScript. Online, is it clear?
yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So to catch the errors, it helps us to catch errors early during the development stage.
Bharat, can you please repeat it again?
Breaking Bharat, sir.
Yeah. So it is going to be specify the what is the kind of data we are storing in a variable. It is going to be us the help us the to catch errors to catch errors early during development. During development of the code. Online, is it clear? So a data type is a one specifier. It going to be specify the what is the kind of data we are storing the variable. It is going to be help us the to catch errors during the development stage. Online, is it clear? Alright, are you people are able to understand?
Yes, Bharat.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So in a TypeScript, we have a two types of data types. Data types in TypeScript. In TypeScript, we have a two types of data types. One is primitive, primitive data types. So some people are going to be correct as the built-in data types. New data types. So in TypeScript, we have some. Okay. So in TypeScript, we have these two data types. So in this, what is primitive data types as of now? So primitive data types are built-in data types. Primitive data types are built-in data types in TypeScript. Is it clear? Alright. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
So yeah, thank you guys. So in a primitive data, the first one is number. So number is a one primitive data type in a TypeScript. Then second one is string. Okay. Then third one is boolean. Okay. So then fourth one is null. And undefined. Then sixth one is any. Okay, seventh void. Then eighth one is okay. So in JavaScript and TypeScript we have a data types. So in this the primitive data types in TypeScript and JavaScript is so these are the. Alan, are you people are able to understand? So one is number, string, boolean, null, undefined, and then eighth one is union type. Union type. Want to hear me now? Or anything? Yeah. So guys, today we will are discussing the data types in TypeScript. A data type is it going to be specify the what kind of data we are storing the variable in a TypeScript. Okay. So it is going to be help us to catch errors early during the development stage. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So in TypeScript, we have two types of data types. One is primitive data types, another one is non-primitive data types. So sometimes some people are going to be called as the primitive data types as a built-in data types. Okay. So then coming to non-primitive data types, they're going to be called as the objects. Okay. So in a TypeScript, we have a built-in data types are number, string, boolean, null, undefined, any, void, and union type. Is it clear? All right. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. These all the primitive data types we are going to be using to store a single value in single variable. So here you have to note it. In a TypeScript, the primitive data types are going to be used to store the single value in single variable. to store a single value in single variable, we people are going to be use this primitive data types. Okay, so let us see how to use this primitive data types in a TypeScript. Okay, so when we are supposed to discuss this data types, we need a VS Code editor. So guys, I hope you are not facing any issue, right?
Yes, sir. It's clear now.
Yeah, thank you. So guys, when I'm supposed to write a TypeScript programming scripts, we need a Visual Studio code editor. So here I'm navigated my VS Code editor. So here I am going to be create the one TypeScript file to discuss the data types. So when I'm supposed to create it, simply select a folder, create a new file. So my file name is data types.ts, data types.ts. So here I am created the one file as a data types. So in a TypeScript programming, we have a primitive data types. Primitive data types. So which are we are going to be use to store the single value in single variable. Okay, so this primitive data types we have. So one is number, string, boolean, and null, undefined, any, void, and a union type. These all are the primitive data types. These all the primitive data types are going to be help us to store single value in single variable. Is it clear? Yeah. So in this, when I'm supposed to take the first data type is a number. So number is a data type. This data type is going to be used to specify the numbers and a decimal values in a variable in TypeScript. So for suppose if I have a variable so if I suppose I have one variable is let age equal to let age colon number equal to, so age is 35. So see this, let is a keyword. Yesterday we discussed. Okay, it is a block scope variable. So here age is a variable name, colon number is data type. To store the value in a variable by using a equal assignment operator we can. So my value of age is 35. This is the way we can define the one variable in TypeScript. So this is the way we have to specify the type of the data in variable by using a number data type. Is it clear? Online? Is it clear? Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see this, when I'm supposed to storing like this, if I want to know what is the type of data I am going to be storing in age. If I want to know what is the type of data I am going to be storing in age. So here I specify the data type is number. When you specify a number data type, so it's going to be allow the integer numbers and a decimal values. So when you have a data type is number, it's going to be allow the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also it accepted the decimal values like this also. It's going to be allow this kind of data also. Okay, so number data type is going to be specify the numbers. So if you want to know in a age variable what type of data we want to store, so that time we have a one method. So that method is, so simply you have to write it a console.log. So type of is a method. So type of age. So when you are supposed to write like this, so then this type of method going to be return the what is the type of data we want to store in a age. So after defining the data type, is it clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So guys, if I'm supposed to now execute my TypeScript, so simply here you have to write a syntax TypeScript executor dot. So I'm going to be copy the. So my folder name backward slash data type data types dot ts. See means whatever the folder we are using, that folder name backward slash data types dot ts. I am running the my TypeScript file. Simply click on enter. See, when I am executed my statement, what is the type of data we can able to store in a age variable? Number. It return the data type when you use a type of method. Online, is it clear?
Can you please explain the type of method once again?
Type of is a one default method in TypeScript to find the what is the type of data we can store in a variable. Type of is a default method to find the what type of data we can store in a variable. To get the type of the data type, we use this type of method. So like this we can. So actually in a age, we people are going to be store the 35 is a value, right? So age, we people are going to be stored the 35 is a value, right? So see this, if I'm supposed to execute my same TypeScript file, here we can able to get the, so my type of the variable is number. I am storing the, my number is 35 in my age variable. Yes or no?
Yes.
So the type of method is going to be help us to find the what type of data we can store in a variable in a TypeScript. Is it clear? Yeah. So and also if you are supposed to reassign the one more value like age equal to 30. So see this, can we able to reassign like this? Can we able to reassign like this? Yes, we can able to reassign in a let keyword, but here it is showing the error because of the type of the age variable is number, but type of string is not assignable to the type of number variable because of let age equal to number data type we already defined in our TypeScript file. Is it clear?
Yes.
So this is the way we people are going to be getting the compile time errors when you use data types in a variables in TypeScript. Because so it is going to be help us the early to find the errors. What type of data we are going to be storing a variable. Is it clear? So this is the way we people are going to be getting the type safety in TypeScript programming language. Are you people are able to understand? Online? Are you people are able to understand?
Please repeat again.
So when you people are supposed to assign the in the place of number data type variable, if you are assigned a string or a boolean or a any other value, so it is going to be throw the error like this before running the program. It means it is a compile time error. So how we people are getting this compile time errors means because of when we define the variable in a TypeScript, we are assigned the data type. We are assigned the data type when we declare the or when we initialize the variable in a TypeScript. So if you are defined the data type, that time only you people are going to be getting a like this a error. Or if you are not defined, it is going to be accepted in JavaScript. But TypeScript, it is not going to be accepted. It's going to be through the compile time error. So this is the facility we have in only TypeScript, not a JavaScript. Is it clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So and also see this, if I'm not going to be assign the string, if I'm going to be reassign the value like a decimal. Can we able to reassign it like this? Can we able to reassign the like this?
Yes.
Yes. Let keyword is going to be reassigned the variable value. So it means we are from the beginning we assign the age is 35. Now we are replaced with the decimal value 10.989. So is it accepted or not?
Accepted.
Accepted, because when you are having the data type is number, so this number can allow the integer numbers and decimals in a single variable in TypeScript and JavaScript. Is it clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. So the number data type like this we can able to define it. So then coming to string. String going to be allow the both characters and string group of characters. Single character and multiple characters we can store in the single variable. So like a B, C, D, E, like this type of characters, and also it going to be accepted the like a group of characters like testing, okay, or playwright, or automation, or tools, like this, any kind of data like this, etc. So this is nothing but string is a one data type in TypeScript programming language. This string data type going to be specify the characters in a variable and also group of character sequence in a variable. Is it clear? It means it is a textual data. Online, are you able to understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So here also, if you are supposed to define a variable name colon string equal to, if you assign the character like a, yes, it going to be taken. So here we are getting some compile time error because cannot declare the block scope variable name. So name was also declared here, name string. So see this. So I already used the name in other file. That is the reason it is showing the error. But now I change it as the name one. Is it clear? Online, is it clear? Yeah. And also by using a string, so my tool colon, I am specifying the string. So here, if I want to define the group of characters inside the single quote or a double quotes, we can define playwright. So like this. So now when you define like this a data like this data types in variables in TypeScript. So if you are supposed to know what is the value name one is allowed or what is the data my tool is going to be allowed. If you want to know that, so by writing a console.log. So here you have to specify type of the data is name one, and same like that console.log type of data is my2. So like this. So if you are supposed to simply execute this, simply execute the same command. Click on it. So see this. What is the type of the data we people are going to be storing name one and my2? What is the type of the data we are going to be storing? String. Online, is it clear? So this is the way you have to specify the data type when you are going to be assign the characters in a variable or when you are going to be assign the group of characters in a variable. Is there any questions and confusion? Online, please.
I think number and age also it's displayed, right?
Sorry? number. See, this is the variable name. We can take anything. So if I going to be given name as C for character, yes. Variable names are always user defined. We can take anything. So don't consider this variable name as a number like that.
That is fine. But
Okay.
actually, the output is it's showing the number and age and string
See, it
also
means
displayed, right?
these lines,
That's why
line number 22, line number 24, we already enabled, right? So if you are not execute, you have to simply comment on this code. Comment on this code, then you have to execute it.
Then how to comment? Sorry.
So when you are supposed to comment any particular line of code, so simply select that all the lines. Okay.
Okay.
Simply click on control and backward slash in your system. Like
Sorry,
this.
sorry, repeat again.
Backward slash.
Control.
See. Control and backward slash.
Okay, thank you.
Again, if you want to uncomment the code, again same thing. Okay, when you are supposed to comment a multiple lines like this, if you are comment a single line, select that particular line, backward slashes like this.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So the type of the data type is in a C, we are going to be allow the string. In my tool, we are going to be assign the string. So the both variables are going to be allow the only string data, right? And also, if you are supposed to print that value, console.log. So if you are supposed to know the C value, C character value, so like this we can. So if I'm expecting a C, so here don't need to concatenate with, just to put a comma. Then console.log. So if you are supposed to expecting the insert the single quotes or insert the double quotes, you can give any text. So my tool. So my tool is variable. So like this, if you want to print that variable values, like this we can again execute the same command. So this is the way we can able to get it the values. Is it clear? Online, any questions? Online, any questions?
I think Avinash has raised the hand.
Sorry.
Avinash has
Okay.
raised the hand. I think Avinash's voice is not audible to us. Maybe.
Avinash, can you able to hear me? Avinash, can you able to hear me? Avinash, can you able to hear me? Okay, he's not responding. I think he is unable to hear me. Avinash, your voice is not audible. Okay, Avinash, you are able to hear. Yeah, are you able to understand? Do you have any questions, Avinash? Yeah, thank you, Avinash. What about Manoj? From your side, do you have any questions?
No issues from my side.
Yeah. Somu, from your side, you are also
Yeah.
clear, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. So see this, when you are supposed to print that values like this we can. And also here, when you are supposed to define a string in variable in TypeScript, so we can define the by using a single quote or double quote we can define. By using a single quote or double quote. And one more thing is by using the see, we have a one special thing, backtick. Okay, backtick is a one special property we have. So which is going to be like this. So this is the way. This is the backtick. So which is we can able to see in our system. So like this, backtick. Sorry, like this. This is a backtick. So when you are going to be recommended this backtick means when you are supposed to comment the two string values, then we can use this
But
backtick.
is
Yes,
my voice audible now?
yes, Avinash, your voice is audible now.
Okay, got it. But I missed this one. Can you please repeat it? Like last one, what you were saying now?
See, yeah, I'm repeating. So when you people are supposed to define a string by using a single quote or double quotes, we can define. Is it clear?
Yes, okay.
And also there is a one more way. So this is a black tick.
Okay. Which is
Okay.
there before one, right?
Yeah, black tick. So yeah, before one. Yes, yes, exactly. So in
Okay.
every system, we have a before one, there is a one black tick. So by using this black tick also, we can able to uh, combine the two strings, or we can able to define the string. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Where exactly we are going to be use this means. So I have a one variable like a, so let automation tool colon string equal to, see here, for your understanding purpose, I am taking like this, just understand. Automation tool. So if I want to combine this playwright into this automation tool. So in generally to combine or concatenate with the two strings like this we can. My tool. Like this we can. Is it clear? Online?
Yes, Bharat. Yes, Bharat.
Yes. So now if you are supposed to see the output of automation tool. So see this, what we people are going to be getting. See what we people are getting. Automation tool is playwright. We people are going to be successfully getting the that concatenation value when we are concatenating with the so automation tool plus my value. Yes or no?
Yes, Bharat.
So or if I'm supposed to concatenate with a automation tool playwright in web applications. So I have a one more variable. So web web equal to string data type web2. So I want to concatenate these two variables into the here. So if you are supposed to concatenate the two, again are you going to be concatenate like this? I need these three strings in a one string, single string. So see this, when you are supposed to concatenate like this, these three strings. So what is the output we people are getting? Automation tools, automation tool, playwright, web tool. Like this, we are going to be getting the output, right?
Yes, Bharat.
But if you are supposed to do a concatenation like this, so not required to do like this. So we have a one black tick. So by using this black tick also we can able to do. So when you are supposed to use this black tick to perform a concatenation in a string, so from the beginning you have to put it this black tick, and wherever you are supposed to putting in a concatenation, so here you should have to put this variable into inside the curly braces, and from the beginning you should have to put a dollar. From the beginning you should have to put a dollar. So this is the way also we can able to do the concatenation. Is it clear?
We have to close at end of the.
Yeah, end of the also. Yes, like this also we can able to do.
Okay.
Declare the block code variable my tool. Finding elements my implicit has any data. No, it is also a string. So see this. So as of now, this is the way we people are going to be concatenate with the two strings. Here you should have to use and. Okay, nothing. Dollar is enough. See, if I'm supposed to execute it, see here we are getting the some error. What is the error it is? What is the error it is? triggered uncatched exception. Triggered uncatched exception. Are you people are able to understand?
Yes, Bharat.
So why we people are going to be getting the uncatched exception?
Maybe comma required, I think.
See, already from the beginning here we are putting the black tick, right?
Yes.
So here this is the string I want expecting as an my output, and also after this we should have to define like this. So and there is a one error. Let my tool is any. So I think it is any. Yeah. So we have a one data type is any. Okay. It is not required binding element. My tool implicit has no as an any type. But here we are going to be commanded the two, right? Automation tool string, or here we cannot define anything. String. Sorry. Yes. Yeah. So when we people are going to be using this black tick, so it is going to be showing some error, right?
Yes, Bharat.
1 second. I'll resolve. So can I declare a black scope variable? I think this variable is nothing black tick. Okay. If it is not working, I don't want to waste time. I will check and later I will tell you. Maybe it is available or it is going to be updated. Okay. But also when you are going to be define a string, we can able to define a inside the single quotes or inside the double quotations we can define. So it is just for concatenating with the two string values. But if it is not working, but we have a one facility is by using a plus operator we can. Is it clear? Later I will check and I will tell you. Go next class. Okay. Any questions? Online? Any questions? Online? Am I audible? Yeah.
No.
Yeah. So then third one is Boolean. So Boolean is a one data type which is going to be specify the true or false. True or false values. So for suppose I have a Boolean b1 equal to Boolean data type equal to true. To specify like this, so Boolean equal to false. So this is the way we are going to be use the Boolean data type when we want to specify the Boolean data types. So b1 value and console.log b2 value. So when I'm supposed to print it these two values, so I want to execute my TypeScript file. So see this, we people are successfully able to getting the true or false values. So by using a Boolean data type, we people are going to be specify the true or false values in a variable in TypeScript. Is it any confusion?
No, Bharat.
Yeah. So the next one is we have a null. The next one in TypeScript is we have a null. So null is also a one data type. So when we are not assign the any value, okay? When we are not assigning any value in variable, so that time it is by default going to be taking the null. Okay? So like let data like this, like let data. So what we people are assigned here in the place of data, console.log type of data variable. Type of data variable. So when we people are not assigned the any value, see it is going to be showing the undefined. Okay. it is going to be showing the undefined. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
But
But
even
it should show null.
yeah, see, but here we are not assigned anything.
Yes.
By default, it is going to be written the undefined. But if you want to declare here is a null, so like this we can. If you want to declare a here is a null, so like this we can null variable. Are you able to understand? When you are supposed to declare a variable without assigning any value, that is a null. But by default, it going to be taking the undefined. But when you are supposed to not define the any value in a particular data type, if you want to declare especially a null, so like this we can. But it is not used in our automation Playwright test scripts. But it is a one data type. So in TypeScript, you should have to know just what it is. Is it clear? Online? Is it, yeah.
But here no need to specify the null data type also. Even fine.
If you are not defining a null data type, it's going to be by default taking the undefined data type. We have an undefined also here one data type. When you are,
Okay, got it.
so by default, it is going to be taking the undefined. See, undefined and null both are similar.
Okay.
See, when you are not defining the anything, by default, undefined and null both are going to be replicated the undefined data. It means in the data type, we are not assigning any value. In the data type, we are not assigning any value. Result. So if I'm not defining anything, already just now we people are seeing it is going to be replicated the undefined, right?
Yes, Bharat.
So like this also we can able to get it, not required a parenthesis. So see this by default it is going to be taking the undefined, right?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So undefined and null both are similar. So this undefined and null we are not using the anywhere in a Playwright automation, but it is going to be used to the some specific conditions when we work on the arrays in a TypeScript. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat. But Bharat,
Yeah.
here for null value, they in output they given it got that object.
Yes. By default, it is going to be replicated the object.
Okay.
Okay. So I will tell you what is object. That will be we can discuss on non-primitive data types. But as of now, it is not required. That's why I'm calmly avoided that. Okay. So you should. I hope you know what is null, right? It is empty. We are not assigning anything. But even undefined also is similar to the null. We are not assigning any value. That time it by default it is going to be showing the undefined. Or suppose if I'm supposed to define a result equal to TypeScript, is it going to be allowed? No. The type of TypeScript is not assignable to the type of undefined. It means it is not going to be useful to the anywhere. But it is going to be used to the in collections. So when we discuss an array and types of array, that time I will tell you how we are going to be use this undefined. It means if we are going to be taking one array to store a group of similar values in a function level, if you are not assigned the value also, that time if you want expecting any specific output, that time we can able to use this undefined. Got it?
As Bharat, what if they ask like what is difference between null and undefined? How to explain this?
See, there is no difference. Both are similar. But nobody cannot ask this.
Okay.
Because of everyone know, we are not using this anywhere.
Okay, got it.
Okay? Yeah. So then next one is any. So next one is any is a one data type. So this any data type is going to be allow the any type of data. Any type of data. So let x any. It going to be allow the number. X is going to be allow the character. and X is going to be allow the string also. Like this. Any is a data type. When you are supposed to store any kind of data, we use any data type in the variable. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So then next one is void. Void is a one data type. It is going to be used to the function level. Function is not return any value. That time we use void. So what is function is? Function is a block. When you are supposed to write a more than 2-3 lines of code, we need a function. So to define the function in TypeScript, so by using a function keyword we can. So function add. So if this function is not going to be returning anything, so let a equal to a 10, let b equal to a 20. So we people are going to be performing the console.log. So addition a plus b, a plus b. So like this. So when I'm supposed to writing like this, so this function is not return the any value. That time here we have to put it the void. Void is nothing but it's a return type. So when you are going to be declare a function in a TypeScript, so by using a void we can like this define if a function is not returning any value. It means a value is 10, b value is 20. We are performing the additional inside the function, but we are not expecting this value through the function name. That time we declare the void. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
What about Somu and Manoj? Any questions from your side? Somu and Manoj, any questions from your side?
No, I'm good.
Yeah. So see this, if you are supposed to execute this function, so by calling like this, So see this, addition value a plus b is 30. This is the way we can able to get it the value. Is it clear? So this is a function. And we have a one more data type is union type. So the last one is union type. So union type is nothing but when you are supposed to allow the more than one value in a one variable, we use this union type. Online, is it clear?
Sorry, repeat again.
See, when we are supposed to assign a more than one value in single variable, more than one value in single variable. So like what means? So like what means? Let id colon so union means like I can assign the number and I can assign the string. So see this. So if you are going to be declared like this, what is the value we can store in id? id can accept the number, right? And id can accept the string, right?
Yes.
So like this, when you are supposed to define a more than one value in a single data type, so by using a union type we can. So but this id, can we able to store true or false? Can we able to store true or false? No, because here we specify the number and string. It means it allow the integers and a decimal values, characters and group of characters sequence, but not a boolean values. So here it is going to be show the like this error. Because see this, the boolean is not assignable to the type string and number. It means when you are going to be declaring any variable, so to assign the more than one value in a single variable, so that time like this we can define it is a union type. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So see this. So console.log. So if you are supposed to print a ID, so ID value. So if you are supposed to print the ID value like this, we can then console.log ID string value like this. So see this, if you are supposed to execute this command, yes, we people are able to getting like this. So first time ID value is 100, second time ID value is none. It means single data type can allow the two different types of values. Is it clear, guys? Online, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So in a TypeScript, we have these all are the primitive data types. Okay. But when you declare a data type, here you have to know three technical words. When you are defining the variable, here you have to know three technical words. What it is means. So when you are assigned the variable like this, so in this, if anyone going to be asked, what is data type? What is data type? Data type in this above variable. What is data type? String is a data type. Is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
String is a data type. And someone going to be asked the, what is the annotation of data type? What is the annotation of data type? So what is the annotation of data type? So if anyone going to be asked what is the annotation, so wherever you are going to be declaring a data type, before the data type we are putting a colon, right? Before the data type, here we are going to be putting colon, then we are assigning the data type in a variable in TypeScript, right? This colon and the data type is called as annotation. This colon and data type is called as annotation. Is it clear?
Okay.
Yes, Bharat.
And sometimes some people are going to be asking the, what is type inference? What is type inference? What is type inference? So what is type inference means, when you supposed to define a variable like this, so it is, here we are going to be automatically specify the type of the data type, right? My tool string, we are assigning the data type, right?
Yes, Bharat.
But if you're not putting a data type, that is a type inference. Automatically take the type of the data type. Let age 30. So this is nothing but it is a type inference variable. It means automatically take the data type without defining the data type also. Age is going to be allow the 30. If you suppose you take the next line age equal to any string, it's going to be show the error. By default, it is taken the type of the data type is number, but you are trying to assigning the string. This is nothing but it is a type inference. So when you are supposed to attend an interview, sometimes some people are going to be asked the, you know the data type in TypeScript, right? What is data type? What is annotation? What is type inference? They're going to be asked like this. So if you are not defined the data type, if you declare a variable, so that is a type inference. Or if you are supposed to define a data type in a variable by using a colon data type, that is an annotation. Colon to up to the data type is annotation. So what is data type? To specify the type of the data in variable, we use the data type like this: string, number, boolean, null, undefined, any, void, and union. Are you people are able to understand?
Yes, Bharat.
So these are the data types in a TypeScript. So these all the data types are going to be allow the only one value in one variable. We can't store more than one value. Clear? Online, is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Yeah. So if anyone going to be asked what are the non-primitive data types? So non-primitive data types are we have class interface array. Okay, so class array interface and also function. Okay, and a tuple. Online, is it clear?
Yes, Bharat.
Tuple. Okay, these all are the non-primitive data types. So these non-primitive data types we are using to store a more than one value in single object. So we can discuss the upcoming classes. But first we have to work on all the primitive data types. We have to do some exercises. Then we can move into these non-primitive data types. Is it okay?
Okay, Bharat.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
okay.
thank you guys.